you're going to do the blackened tofu. So the pan is hot, and then you should have your exhaust fan on. And we'll add some butter. Give you a nice but this is our homemade blackening spice. It's basically you can say Cajun spice, but we call them blackening spice because we use to blacken the chicken, the liver, or anything that we wanted to. Like when we're grilling the steak, we usually tap it in a blackening spice, or our famous lamb. We do it. So as soon as it's like cooked both sides, you can just take it off from the stop and I put aside. You don't need to like cook it, don't need to worry about cooking because tofu is pretty it's already cooked, so it's ready to eat. So we just wanted to cook the spices in it, so that'll give you a little bit of a depth to it. Otherwise the tofu will taste nothing. So that's where we add the spices and we put aside. But I want to try this a little bit. Can I try it? Is it? No. Cheese you try.